everyone, let's make this fun and creative Doraemon. First draw the face of the Doraemon on this paper, cut it. Now take a paper cup, make 3 holes. Now paste all the straws together and put it on these holes together like this. Now paste the face of the Doraemon at the top. Now roll another paper and make its hands and legs like this. So put all the paper inside it. Now color it, put a lollipop in its hand, and look, it's ready. Let's make this fun hopping craft using paper cup. So take a paper cup, draw lines on it. Similar way we are going to cut it according to the lines using scissors. Now go off the edges like this. After this we are going to color it. We are drawing these beautiful patterns. Now draw the eyes and face. You can make smiley face here. Now take 2 strips of paper and start folding them in zigzag way like this and paste it at the bottom of the paper cup. Put another paper cup like this and look, it is ready. Look at this fun craft. Look how the bunny is hopping and dancing. Let's make it. Paste the eyes and ears of the bunny on this paper cup. Now make multiple cuts from its both sides. After this we are going to paste a clay between these 2 bottle caps and roll a rubber band around it. Paste it using a stick. Similar way we are going to tug the rubber band from all the corners like this. Tug it and paste it upwards. Now roll the rubber band like this. When you start rolling it, it will hop and dance like this. Look at these colorful fans. Let's make it. First mark dots on base and top of the paper cup using marker. After this we are going to cut it like this till the bottom. Now cut it from its sides like this. Open it. After this we are going to color it. Draw different patterns and make a hole at the center. Put a earbud. Now put a straw. Now look, your paper fan is ready. Look at these cows grazing on these green fields. Let's make this artwork. Draw patches on this paper cup. We are making the legs using these earbud. Now color it black like this. After this we are going to make 4 holes and put the earbuds inside it like this. After this we are going to draw the face of the cow on this white sheet of paper. Color it, cut it and paste it at the base of the paper cup. Make 2 such cows and look, it is ready. Look this fun bunny craft. Let's make it. We are going to make 3 holes on the paper cup. After this take 3 straws and combine all of them together and put it in 3 holes like this. After this we are going to draw the face and carrot. Cut all of them and paste like we are doing here. The carrots on both hands. Paste a heart at the center and look, your craft is ready. Look at this fun craft. Let's make it. Now take a transparent gloves and draw lines and patterns on it using sketch pen, and you can also make colorful eyes and monster face like this. After this make a hole at the paper cup and put a straw. Similar way we are going to combine it using a thread, or you can take this rubber band, blow it and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.